Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. Now let's talk about his YouTube channel. He started his channel back on December 11, 2011. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 2.3 million. Total amount of views is at 167 million. Average daily subs is 6,283, and monthly subs is at 188,507. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. His daily views, he gets about 540,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber between $2 to $5. So let's say $3. So his daily income is $1,620. His monthly income is $48,600. His annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So his income is currently $583,200. Now YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $320,000. Now if you've noticed, most of videos on Bobby Duke's channel, he has a sponsor. He has multiple sponsors actually. Some of his sponsors are like Fortnite Game, NordVPN, World of Worship Games, and Skillshare. So he currently has about 2.3 million subscribers on his YouTube channel, and he may get around $10,000 per sponsored video. And I saw that he makes about 4 videos a month, so that's 4 sponsored videos. 4 times 10,000 is 40,000. 40,000 times 12 is 480,000, which is pretty good. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.